Hey guys, we got this 2014 Sorento. We're going to be showing you how to replace these reverse lights in these inner tail lights. First thing we got to do, open up the tailgate. You'll notice that there's some access covers located here. There's a slot where you can stick a flathead screwdriver, stick that in there and pop this off. And then that's going to give you access to the reverse light, which is this gray connector over here. You just grab a hold of the tab, turn it counterclockwise, and then you can weasel this thing out of here. That's going to get you access to the light bulb. This bulb here is going to be a 921 bulb, and it pulls straight out. It's clear in color. You just grab yourself a replacement bulb and go in the opposite direction. So now we're going to push this back in. It just pops into place. And then all you got to do is just line up the socket with the hole. There is tabs on the socket that need to get lined up in order for you to have that sit flush into the housing. And then once you do that, you should be able to turn it clockwise and have it lock into place. And it's as simple as that. All you got to do now is just take this cover here, line it back up with this hole, push it into place, and you're all done. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.